Well, what's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of GASTRONOMERIA. Welcome, Brandon. Thanks for coming.
Thanks for coming and let me come back again.
Yes, you've come back again. Seems to be every time you come here, we're cooking some Japanese steaks.
Much appreciated.
Much obliged. So, guys, today I'm so freaking excited to try this because we've had an episode. You can click on this link right here and check it out, which was Wagyu ground beef versus our regular 80-20 chuck here in the United States. And 80-20 chuck won because we didn't know what was in that ground Wagyu package. But here we know.
The richness, the majesty, the snowflake-like marbling. This is Mizuyaki Gyu, A5 Wagyu from Japan. And these are the typical condiments you would find in a cheeseburger here in America. Light, buttery, fluffy brioche buns, some nice cheddar cheese, the good stuff. First came the butter, then came the buns, toasty buns. Let me introduce to you Mr. Red Onion, one delicious zesty pickle sliced nice and thin, Mrs. Juicy ripe tomato, also sliced nice and thin, and this is a leafy green brain. We're gonna rip it apart for its outer leaves and throw out the rest. And what would a burger be without our secret sauce? One mystery red liquid? Is there a bird overhead? Oh no, it's our second mystery liquid. The third ingredient is mayonnaise. Stir, and you have your secret sauce. I'm bored. Let's have some fun and make them look just like hamburgers. I'm gonna size up the buns and cut them accordingly. Bring on the salt. And what would salt be without pepper? Just salt. The construction of the burger begins with the secret sauce. Now to give these little ladies the best treatment we can to make them burgers, the cast iron treatment. See all these juices pulling on top? That's our cue to flip them over. And now it's time for the cheese de resistance.
It's about $75 a cheeseburger, retail.
What a deal.
We got some nice brioche buns. I buttered them. I toasted them. You know, I gave it the entire treatment of what a burger should be. If you think of that Jimmy Buffett song, what's it called?
Cheeseburger in Paradise?
Cheeseburger in Paradise. What does he like on his burger?
Mine with ketchup and tomato.
Come on, somebody, sing me the song. I don't want to play it because I don't want any copyright infringement, but you know what I'm talking about.
Oh, yeah.
Lettuce, pickles, onions, tomatoes. He loves all that.
Oh, yeah.
That's what's in here. Plus, a special sauce. It's not ground, so we know it's exactly what's in it. Are you ready for us to try it? I can't wait. I'm done talking to you. I'm ready for you.
Let's eat.
Let's do this. Oh boy, here we go. Okay. Why I'm laughing is this. I could taste all the elements of the burger, but when it comes to the meat, it tastes like I'm just biting into butter.
Oh, it's amazing. It's amazing.
It is amazing. Obviously, I mean, each burger is about $75 worth. I don't get that meat feel.
No.
Do you?
Not in the least.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
It's literally like one layer is butter. That's where the meat was. And that's the Wagyu. It's like a steak burger, but it's so you don't have to grind the meat because it's already so tender and juicy.
Amazing.
Should we just keep eating?
I was gonna say, can you stop talking so we can eat?
I'll shut up. He wants to take another bite. All right, I need another bite to get a better feel for this. I'm gonna be honest, guys. It's like being used to all American burgers all my life. It's like how can I put this into words? It's like mild, it's just fat and juice. It's like so you take the burger, you get rid of the meat element out of it, and it's just the juicy element that's left over.
Yeah. It takes a whole new principle of the word steak burger. It's a surprise that there's not more of this type of meat served, really, because it is absolutely amazing. I've never been able to actually experience a burger that seemed healthy or tasted in this way at all. It's like it melts in your mouth the same way that it's the same consistency of the bread, the lettuce, the juices. They all just merge together to make one amazing symphony of a hamburger that I've never experienced before.
Brought me to tears a little bit. But guys, there are so much. Everything is Wagyu now. I mean, you go to Walmart and buy Wagyu now. It's like the hot word right now. So I mean, you can have Wagyu hot dogs, Wagyu ground beef, which I've tried in the past, and it really wasn't all that. So the problem with Wagyu now, since it's so mainstream and so trendy, is that you really don't know what you're getting. But with this, you could see I knew exactly where it was coming. It was coming from Miyazaki Wagyu farms in Japan. I could see everything, the grinding process. I don't know what to put in that, but this, I could see the whole thing right there with my eyes. I like it because it's a whole food. And with this, it's an experience, man. Because when it says Wagyu, you don't know what's in it. It could be 50%, it could be 30, it could be 20% Wagyu. This was 100% Wagyu, guys. Again, delicious. Does it match up to a regular good old American burger? For me, not really.
Not even close.
Yeah, because it's just I can't even say one's better than the next because it's two totally different worlds.
Apples and oranges.
Yeah. Because you got a burger, you got to bite into it, you got to chew the meat, that satisfaction of the grill marks and everything like that. While on this hand, you're just biting into meat and butter. So, an amazing experience.
Unreal.
Yes. So, guys, thank you so much for staying with us. Thank you so much for watching us eat. We're going to sit here and devour the rest of this. And I want to thank you guys for sitting through with us through this entire operation in this tasting station. And then thank you, Brandon, for joining us.
My pleasure as always.
Guys, as always, please subscribe to our channel. Keep watching, click that bell, do this, all the things you want to click those things. And we love y'all. See you next time. Bye!